This dictation material has been obtained from Common Word Para 13. We read these statements and think carefully about them, and at first it seems that the statements cannot be true, that we cannot seriously be expected to believe them, full stop. Then perhaps we remember some of the things we were told as children and which we have always believed to be true, full stop. As children, we learned that many of the little points of light which appeared above us at night are really great bodies which are millions of miles away from the earth, full stop. Light, we were told, moves at the rate of about 1086 lakh miles a second, but so far distant are these bodies from us that the light which we see coming from them is the light which left them thousands and in some cases billions of years ago, full stop. Because of this fact, we learned if we could discover some method by which our eyes could see what was happening on one of these distant bodies, we should see not what is happening today, but what was happening ages and ages ago, full stop. If people, something like ourselves, lived on those little points of light, and if they could see what was happening on our earth, they looking at us today, full stop. But even when we remember these facts, it is for most of us difficult to get from one that the smallest suggestion of an idea of what is meant when we are told that everything that has been still is and always will be, full stop. It is difficult to believe that there will be always somewhere the picture of you as you sit reading these words, full stop. If we think of sound, it helps us to understand this point a little better, full stop. We see a movement very much more quickly than we hear the sound resulting from that movement for sound, full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat Lahore, as well as Principal Ajmair Shorthand and Computer College Shahdara.